This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.
The push to get first-time investors buying shares in state assets like Mighty River Power has some in the finance sector worried. The government wants to make the process as easy as possible. But some experts are concerned that may mean a lack of vital advice for investment newcomers. Political editor Corin Dan's been looking at the issue.
For 21-year-old Corey Nicholas, getting $1,000 worth of shares in Mighty River Power is a no-brainer.
It's a pretty big commitment for me to go in. I don't really want to run in half-cocked.
When the share sale goes ahead, the likes of Corey Nicholas can expect to be bombarded with a massive government-backed information campaign. However, the financial markets watchdog says people should get help.
We think that it would be a good idea for New Zealanders to go and seek competent professional advice from somebody who understands the risks and features of investing in shares.
But leading financial market players are concerned that with hundreds of thousands of Kiwis potentially lining up for shares, there won't be enough advisors to go around.
There's no way that the financial advisors and the major firms in New Zealand can spend an hour and a half with all those people to deal with their whole financial affairs and then to give them advice on whether they should invest in Mighty River Power or not.
The Financial Markets Authority says there are 2,000 registered advisors across the country, while ANZ National says it has 130 advisors ready to help with the Mighty River Power sale. The Prime Minister agrees people should get advice, but he remains keen to give as many Kiwis as possible a share of assets like Mighty River Power.
There will be plenty of brokers and the likes who will be very keen to provide financial advice in this area.
The Greens worry that John Key's sales pitch will confuse some investors into thinking the investment's government guaranteed.
The fact that the government keeps going on about it would suggest to people that it's government guaranteed, but it is not. And
Labor's worried the loyalty bonus shares offer is likely to cost taxpayers tens of millions of dollars.
What's going to happen is that the people who buy shares are going to have a loyalty scheme which will be paid for by taxpayers.
For Corey Nicholas, though, Mighty River Power represents what he hopes will be the start of a long and fruitful investment career. Corin Dan, One News.
This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.